Trail Freak here with you today. Part 2 of my carbon build. It's going to be a quick little video. It ain't going to be very long. It's going to be short, sweet. But this is where I'm at right now with the build. About 90% done. I need to get my brakes and my shifter and derailleur and chain and pedals, and it will be ready to ride. And, of course I gotta get it tuned, get it shifting right and all that stuff, and it will be ready for the race. And it looks pretty sharp so far. I like it. It's gonna be, I'm just hoping, you know, got this big old belly on me. I'm hoping it'll stay together with me on my race. But I have confidence that it will, so. But it's sweet. Next video will be, I will do a short bike check on it, show you all the parts I used, or try to anyway. Then I have a film up for race day also, so check it out. Thanks for watching, and just go ride, man.